What are you doing, Anna?
Sewing.
Okay, let's see it happen.
Okay, I'm never done this before.
Look at those beautiful fabrics. Ember!
And then, oh yeah, arms.
No, give it to her. Okay, give it to Ember. Show her how to put it, baby.
I got you something. I made this for you. I made it for you.
Show her how to put it on her shoulder. Her shoulder.
Yes. It's so pretty. Do you want to put something in it? See, we take it off. Put the book in the bag. Put it in there. Yay. Now we put it on the shoulder. Now you're a big girl. I don't think you can fit that one in. Yay! No, it's not gonna fit.
There's your baby. Look, Ember. See? There's your baby. Go get your purse. Get your purse. Where's your baby? Where's your baby?
Sound horrible.
Yeah, I know. I think I sound like what I'm hearing, but yeah.
It's
Am I singing loud?
No, it's just like.
Yeah, I'm just kind of tuning along. Except without singing.
Concentrating me.
Say hi.